All right, so we're going to demonstrate how to tape a shoulder for someone who's sustained an AC joint injury. So a little ligament through the top of the shoulder here, commonly injured when someone either lands directly on their shoulder or through a hip and shoulder mechanism. So I often find this area of the skin quite sensitive. We'll lay them down with some of GoLevita's Hyperfix first. Cool. So starting sort of bottom of the chest line over top of your shoulder and finishing at the back. And then I'll just reinforce that with a rigid anchor point. And then we'll set up another anchor point just below Tommy's delt line. So I'll get Tommy to put his hand on his left hip. And for this one, just to avoid restricting blood flow, I get Tommy to tense his bicep, right? Just whilst we place that anchor point nice and gently around his bicep. He can relax there now. Now the goal with this taping is to start from the bottom and finish at the top of the anchor point here. And we're going to provide a gentle lift to support the acromioclavicular joint a little bit more. So it lies right there. Straight to the top, gentle lift, and then just placing that tape. We're just going to crisscross that to provide a bit more support. Overlapping about 50%. Gentle lift, then place. We'll do one more through the back. Place it at the top. Now we'll leave it at that for Tommy, but depending on the athlete or the patient, if they want a bit more support, then you can cross over that AC joint a little bit more or provide a bit of an extra lift. We'll just lock that taping into place, going over that first anchor point. And then to reinforce it all, we use GoLevita's 75mm of EAB or stretchy tape and just come around the shoulder. Tell me to tense his bicep again. And we'll finish off at the back of his shoulder at that first anchor point. And then I've just helped to reinforce it and keep it all in place. And to finish, we'll tie that all down with one last piece of rigid tape. And there you go. All right, so I've just taken the stretchy tape off to show you what the tape looks like. This is the main structural component of the tape, starting from the bottom anchor towards the top anchor, and it should just form that fanning pattern over that AC joint there.